Hi, this is Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking, and I wanted to show you my organization of the new colors added into the prior colors from Close to My Heart. And I keep all of my stamp pads in our Workspace Wonder Stamp Pad stack, and it's with a carousel and a tray on top. And just makes it real handy, real easy to get to all of the colors. And so I took our catalog, our new catalog, and made color copies of the page that has all of the new and old ink colors. Now these are our inks, our refills, our cardstock, are all in these same exact colors. That's why we can match everything so beautifully. So I went ahead and cut all the little rectangles out and put them on white cardstock and just kind of stacked them. And the little color rectangle just fits nicely to cover the nook for each of the stamp pads. So I kept it in the same exact order of the catalog. So all the reds, starting off with our new Desert Rose, are there and goes through our greens. We have two colors that don't fit into my layout of the stack, the stamp pad stacks. But that's okay because there's a tray on top where they can fit. So I've got all the purples and blues together, all of the reds are together, reds going into pinks, kind of orangey. And then the greens going into the yellows are all together. So it makes it very easy for me to find exactly what color I'm looking for. And I don't waste a lot of time hunting for it. So this just makes it so simple and so fast. And so I have I think it's called a Kallax from the Ikea. And these boxes are from Stamp and Storage, and they just fit perfectly. They're made for the Kallax, and the colors are I did the same color copy from the book, cut them out and put them on the little pull-out from the shelf. So everything is all in the same color, and very quickly I'll be able to put my finger exactly on the color I'm looking for, since everything's all in the same order. So it just makes life easier. Sorry about that, I'm kind of dancing around here. I've got to put my Cricut away because I managed to leave it on, which is not a good thing. Anyway, I just like to keep some order. My life is not totally in order, but this kind of order saves time for you. And that's what you want to do. You want to save time and not get frustrated. So I've incorporated, I think it's 8 new colors, and took out the older colors and kind of put the older colors away behind the stamp, using my what's currently in stock stash. So that way it's out of sight, out of mind, but I know where to go to get the older stamps if I need them. So thanks for watching. Bye now.